Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. I'm so thrilled to announce that finally, after lots and lots of hard work, all of the ABRSM Discovering Music Theory lessons are now available to you on my Patreon channel. If you go to patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything you need to know for grades 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 ABRSM Discovering Music Theory. I work with you step by step through every single exercise, just as if I was sitting next to you, everything that you need to know. And do remember that the grades do progress accumulatively, so you need to do grade 1 and you need to grasp the information in ABRSM grade 1 before you move on to grade 2, because grade 2 is everything you need to know in ABRSM Discovery Music Theory grade 1, plus extra information now included in grade 2 and so on. So for grade 3, you need to learn all the information in grades 1 and 2, and then the extra information included in grade 3. But I work with you step by step through every single exercise. Every single lesson is now there for you on my Patreon channel. So do go to my Patreon channel, patreon.com/Sharon Bill. I love music theory. I think it's an absorbing topic. I think it's a fascinating topic. I thoroughly enjoy learning it. There's always something new to learn. I love teaching it, and here I'm so thrilled to say that I can teach and I can guide you through every single step of ABRSM grades 1 to 5. At the end of this little video, I'll include some sample lessons so you can see exactly how it works and how I will guide you through everything that you need to know, and you'll see those examples of each lesson for ABRSM grade 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for the new Discovering Music Theory syllabus, and I'll pop those lessons at the end of this little video so that you can work with me, you can get an idea of how this works. I love teaching music theory, I love studying it. Get your pencil sharpened, let's get cracking. Everything should be grouped showing one crotchet beat, and so here it's really difficult to see where beat 3 comes because we've got this break here. It looks like this could be beat 3, but we know that 4 semiquavers make a beat and they should be together. So there's beat 1, that's beat 2, the start of beat 2, all of that is beat 2, beat 3 starts here, and it's really tricky to see that that's still beat 2 because it's incorrectly grouped. Whereas here we can easily see beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. Here again we've only got half a beat and then there's a break, so that looks like that's beat 2. Now here we're in the treble clef and we've got a key signature, so that's the sneaky bit there. Watch out, we have an F sharp and a C sharp, and so this is FAC in the treble clef, but that will not be the correct answer because the key signature is active. It's a C sharp, so just keep your eyes peeled there. That's where you could go a little astray. And so here we have 4 beats in a bar, but each beat is a crotchet because bottom number 4 means we're counting in crotchet beats because we're in those quarter notes. We've divided into quarters. Whereas here, there are 4 beats in a bar, just the same, but now each beat is a minim because we've halved, we're in half notes. And so basically, everything has doubled in value. And so we can see the minim has doubled to a semibreve. That's a 2-beat note when we're counting each unit as a crotchet. This is a 2-beat note when we're counting each beat as a minim. There's our unit beat, 1 beat, 1 crotchet beat, 1 minim beat, there's 1 beat, counting in minims. Now here we have 2 half beats, and so I'm hoping that you've had a go at this. Now A major, the key signature for A major is 3 sharps, F sharps, C sharps, G sharps. These are flats, so that won't do. We know from grade 1 that F major only has B flats, and so this is our new key signature with 3 flats, which is B flats, E flats, A flats, This indeed is the key signature for E flat major. So we should be having 2 crotchet beats per bar. So there's 1 crochet beat. Now here we know that 3 in the time of 2, so that's 3 demi-semiquavers in the time of 2 demi-semiquavers, which is the same as 1 semiquaver. And we know that 1, 2, 3, 4 semiquavers is a crochet beat. And this is confirmed by the fact that it's beamed together to show the start of each new crochet beat. We know that 4 semiquavers is a crochet. Semi and semi is a quaver plus a quaver gives us a crochet. Carrying on, we'll worry about the bar lines in a moment. 3 in the time of 2 demi-semis, which is the same as 1 semiquaver. Here's another semiquaver, here's a quaver, so there's 1 beat. There's a crochet beat, there's a crochet beat, there's a crochet beat. So 1, 2, bar line, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, there we go. That's the accidental that you need to add. The key signature will do everything else. So we need to remember what is the related major key signature. It's related to D flat major, which has a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, G flats. Positioning those carefully, you need a sharp pencil, keep them tall and thin so they don't spread out and use too much space. And now we need to find the note B. Good boys, there, it's already B flat because the key signature is doing the job. Remember that scales just means step. We're stepping up this ladder. 1, 2, 3, line, space, line. That's a bit wonky. Let's try that again. The line should go through the middle of the note. Better. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We finished on B. The middle C would be here, so we know we've not gone astray. That's correct. Now here we have a key signature of B flats, E flats, A flats, D flats, G flats. At the moment, this is a flat, which we don't want, and so we're going to have to raise that. And to raise a flat, A flat raised becomes a natural. And so we need to have a natural sign here to cancel that part of the key signature. So this key signature, it could be a major, it could be a minor key. We'll adjust accordingly, but it doesn't matter. We know it could be D major or B minor, so therefore we know it's B minor. So if B is 1, this is 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd degree of the scale, which is the mediant. So let's have a look at this one. So this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 sharps. It could be F sharp major or it could be D sharp minor. We asked for the major, and so we know it's F sharp major. And if this is F, that's the 1st degree of the scale, and so we know that's the tonic. And so, I hope this is helpful to your studies. Please do like and subscribe to stay updated. If you'd like to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee, and for advert-free lessons, you can become a patron. Do visit my website where you'll find many resources available to help you. Visit sharonbill.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.